Hi everyone, it's Genene, and on day 3 of our 7 days of yoga challenge of gentle energy, we are working our way up the body, and today we're on our core, and you don't need any props. You do need to take yourself to something like a mat, and then let's come to all fours. We've got 6 poses today, and we'll put them in a flow. Step your right foot between your hands. Right foot comes between the hands, however you want to get it there. And to start, you can keep the back knee down if you need more balance. If you don't, and you know you're fine with balance, then try lifting the back knee off of the ground. And wherever you're at, inhale. Reach the arms up, lift up through the chest, work those legs. The lower legs are drawing into the middle. And then your inner thighs pressing apart. Pull the belly in and draw the tailbone down. Now lift the chest more. Right hand grabs the left wrist. Inhale. You can always bend the back knee if you need to. And working it back in your own time. Keep the length through the back and front ribs as you lean over to the right. And then inhale, come up. Again, the knee can be down the whole time. Inhale, come up. And this is fun. You're going to exhale, left leg forward. That means you've got to draw your energy into the center of your pelvis. You can reach your arms up, bring them down by your side, whatever you want. But left leg meets the right, and you come into chair pose. So knees are bent and back. So if you want more, reach your arms overhead. If you would like more glutes, bring your knees back in line with the ankles. You want more quads, the knees come forward behind the toes. And now step your left leg back. Left leg. See, it's a balance. And now turn your left foot down. So turn the heel down. The left foot turns out a lot. And now the hips open off to the side. So now you can adjust heel to heel, or if you're more flexible, heel to inner arch. Your choice. But maybe you need to take the back foot back a little further. That's okay. Do that. And then this right knee is bent around 90 degrees. Right knee right over the ankle. And then inhale, arms out to the sides. Exhale, right hand goes down under the right forearm and left arm off to the right. Now inhale, left arm up to the sky. Right hand comes down. And you're going to love me forever. Right leg goes back to meet the left. And you're going to go, what? So you got to pull the belly in, push down with the right hand, and the right leg goes up and meets the left. You're in side plank. If this is too intense, you can come down onto your right forearm across the mat, push down, and then you lift up again. You can stack the feet, one in front of the other. You can also come down onto your hand. Right knee stays down, left leg back, and try that variation. Otherwise, if you want it more challenging, lift the top leg up and breathe. And lower down, and left hand comes down, down dog. Here, you're pressing the floor away. Your abs are engaged. Your pelvis is tilting forward, so the sitting bones are lifting up to the sky. And the thighs press back towards the back of the room, and you're getting this nice traction. Now, firm the right leg, inhale, lift it in the air. And see how this goes. Exhale, right knee into chest. Really pull the belly in, and then inhale up. And again, exhale, draw it in, and inhale up, and exhale in. Inhale, stretch the leg up. Use your glutes. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, as you lift up, you don't want to just lapse in the low back. Use glutes instead. Exhale in, and inhale. Exhale, knee to chest. Step the right foot between the hands. However you need to get it there, you can grab with your hand, you can grab the ankle, and then kind of revisiting where we were before, high lunge, but this time, pull the belly off of the thighs, lengthen the spine, and then reach your arms by your hips. Feel the strength you're creating by holding this. And then release the hands down. Right leg goes back to meet the left, plank, and lower down onto hands and knees. Now all we have to do is repeat that on the left side. So begin by stepping your left foot between your hands. And then that's when you chose whether to lift your back knee off of the ground. And once you've chosen what you're doing, you're inhaling, torso up. The core is so strong here. The outer hips are drawing in towards each other, the pubic bone and tailbone towards each other, lifting, because otherwise it's really easy to fall over. Your legs assist in this. Lower legs draw in. Inner thighs go back and apart, and then you feel how now that you've created that space in between the sitting bones that you sit on, the tailbone can now draw down deeper and you can lift up through your chest more. And now let's turn this into a side stretch. Left hand grabs right wrist, inhale up. Exhale, lean over to the left and feel the right ribs lengthening. Inhale, come up. And exhale into chair pose. Right leg comes forward. Knees bent, chest lifts. Right leg's going to step back. You can always bring your arms down if it's easier for you. Right foot turns, so the heel turns out. And now the hips are rotating from forward to out to the side. The knee stays over the ankle. Knee bent somewhere close as you can, 90 degrees. If you're not bending your knee enough because you don't have enough room, adjust with the back leg, walking that back leg out more. And feel how your core's in the center as you inhale your arms out to the side. And then left forearm, left thigh, right arm across right ear. Find new places to stretch from tailbone to crown of head. That's going to assist you in strengthening your core. If you want more core work, you would, no hands, just hang out. Or you bring your left hand down to the outside of the left foot like so. And now let's everyone put your left hand down if you didn't already, because this is the fun one where you got to engage your core, because this left foot now is going to come meet the right. So if you know right away, that's not going to happen. You lower the right knee down first. Okay. Ready? Go. And again, you can stack the feet. The right foot would be in front of the left here. Hips lift. Or stack the feet. Remembering lowering the left knee is always an option. And then raise your right leg if you can, if you need more challenge. And then exhale, set it down, downward facing dog. We only have that one sequence left. Firm the left leg, inhale, lift it up. And then exhale, knee to chest. Really use the belly. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale up. Exhale, knee, maybe it touches the nose, maybe not. And again, arms strong and straight. Exhale, inhale, and exhale. Inhale, downward facing dog. Note where you feel more energized, like you have more flexibility. Breathing in and out through your nose, slowly, freely. Take your attention to your solar plexus, to that area of the body that digests your food, emotions. What message could your body here be giving you? Listening. Come down onto your knees and lie down on your backs for Shavasana. You may stay in Shavasana as long as you like. Let me know in the comments how that sequence worked for you and how did you use it? Was it a warm-up for a longer practice? Was it something you did at the end of day? We're nearly to the middle of our 7 days of yoga. How are you doing with it? And remember to click that subscribe button if you haven't already, because that way you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again next time, maybe tomorrow. Namaste.